A very good Wednesday morning to one and all. It is the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 25-26, Day 2, Session 1. It's the biggie. It's a Karnataka versus Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir won the toss. Paras Dogra said, "We will bat first." Statement. We'll put runs on the board, and runs they did. But the way they played yesterday to Jammu and Kashmir, the nerves didn't show.
मॉर्निंग जॉय सभी को नमस्कार. गुड मॉर्निंग. अब्दुल समद की क्या बल्लेबाजी की है. 52 पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं शुभम पुंदीर. 117 पर नाबाद.
Test him and you get a 4-over ball today. Anyway, it is what it is. Ball one, swung. Yeah, look at those faces. Swing, that's what they need, a lot of it.
That's beautifully struck. There's no protection there in the deep. Very, very soft dismissal. Vidyadhar Patil in the 98th over.
सारा भार जो था आप अपने अगले पांव पे ले गए थे. सारा भार आगे को शरीर आपका गिर रहा था, और जब शरीर आगे को गिर रहा होता है और उस वक्त जब आप शॉट खेलते हैं उस पर नियंत्रण नहीं रहता. 121 रन की पारी, शतक लगाया फाइनल मुकाबले में.
Will pick up 4 runs. Get off the mark. Wadwan. Regulation, Nick. Regulation. Catch. Wicket number 4 down now. Prasidh Krishna had bowled well.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खिलाड़ी हैं आप, भारतीय टीम का हिस्सा हैं. किस वजह से हैं ये दिखाइए, और यही करके दिखाया है आज यहां प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा ने. 61 रन बनाए और चौथा विकेट खो दिया जम्मू कश्मीर ने.
Will fetch a boundary.
Once again, just about another boundary there. Completely out of position there, Paras Dogra. Doesn't seem comfortable when that ball is bowl short.
भाग्यशाली.
Because like batters, bowlers also have so much of rhythm, and once you give them pace and room outside off stump.
ये सिचुएशन का पारस डोगरा जो है ना बहुत फायदा उठाने वाले हैं. आप देखिए,
Oh, that'll go all the way. No stopping that.
Well played. A very good session this for Jammu and Kashmir. 380 for 4, and it's lunch on day 2. 33 overs, 96 runs, 2 wickets for them, but that fell really early.
Yeah, a lot of running, a lot of hard work left to be done here by the Karnataka team. They are trailing in this final. Immediate play and miss. Been that kind of a passage of play, but he's hung in there, Paras Dogra. But this kind of bowling is not going to trouble Wadwan. Easy pickings on the onside. Once again, takes that short ball on, rolls his wrist, nicely swiveled. What a wonderful knock by the wicketkeeper. 49 will turn into 50. It's been brilliant, it's been clutched, it's been dogged by Wadwan. Just what the doctor ordered for J&K.
गैप के अंदर खेलने में कामयाबी, अपना शतक पूरा किया. 84 गेंदों का सामना किया.
Excellent hit that. Staying besides the line. This time getting holding this effort in good stead. Now he's toying with the field, identifying the line immediately.
Oh my word.
ये देखिए जरा, अब बताइए आपने ये क्या शॉट खेली है. थोड़ा सा झपट्टा तो इन्होंने भी मार दिया था. थोड़ा सा झपट्टा तो इन्होंने भी मार दिया था, और 5वां विकेट खोया जम्मू कश्मीर ने.
That's the way you play the shot. From the seasoned pro. Won't go all the way. Another 50 for this highly accomplished cricketer. Age 41, 50 batting. 50 in the semis, and he's not done yet. Come on, coach, help me out with this one. I need this one. We need this one.
जी हाँ, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। पारस नाम है इनका, पारस एक पौराणिक पत्थर माना जाता है।
Very lucky opportunity this.
क्या बढ़िया तरीके से गाइड किया थर्ड मैन दिशा की तरफ।
Beautifully struck. No better sight. Oh, that's you can call that the perfect edge. So he's having an ordinary day, is the wicketkeeper. And to go with that, he missed that stumping of the left-handed Pundir.
Excellent hit that. Just identifying the length.
ये देखिए, एक और खाई है, एक और हेलमेट में खाई है और गेंद जाके स्टंप पे लगे और बेल ना गिरे, इसे क्या कहेंगे?
Dislodge himself from this effort of JNK. Took his eyes off. It's something that he was doing on day one. Day two was a different Paras Dogra. Oh, just against run of the play. Played it on there, Paras Dogra.
तेज निकलती है टप्पा खाने के बाद, उसमें इतना स्पिन होता है कि अगर आपने बल्ला थोड़ा सा कोण लगा के रखा तो गेंद पीछे को भागती है। बारी थी ये 70 रनों की।
Someone like a Prasidh Krishna might just surprise them. Nicely negotiated. Another session completed. 478 for 6. 98 runs in this second session. 2 wickets going down for JNK.
Yeah, you could make out that, how much those wickets meant, because they were far and few and very hard to get by. Coming to this game, big final.
के हाथ में थमाई ये गेंद और ये सही टैक्टिक.
Oh, well done. With bat, with ball. That's a drag down. Will go all the way. Oh, mighty good square cut. Wow. Oh, that's a gorgeous looking shot. Whoa, flown, gone. Nicely. And 50 for Sahil. What a superb knock. And he's made his presence felt. Yes, thank you. Thumbs up.
समावेश हुआ था, क्या बेहतरीन तरीके से यहाँ पर काउंटर अटैकिंग पारी का यहाँ पर मुजाहिरा देते हुए एक ऐसे वक्त पर जब कर्नाटका पूरी तरीके से अपने आप को झोंक रहा था, कुछ विकेट चटकाने की सोच दिखा रहा था कर्नाटका को, पूरी तरीके से उस रणनीति को समझा और सपाट किया.
Well, in the air, runs flowing like the Ganges. How do we turn things around? He's down for the count. Is Vaishak Vijay Kumar. End of the over.
और दोनों अंपायर्स अब यही देख रहे हैं और उनको नहीं लगता कि तेज गेंदबाज के लिए रोशनी जो है अभी पर्याप्त है.
Well, that's all that fell today. So far, 11 overs, 49 runs, and no wickets. 4.45 runs to the over is what J&K going at in this session. Well, this is what happened earlier. They checked their light meter. It was below the prescribed levels. Very heavy cloud cover and a little bit of downpour brought the covers on, and they didn't have the opportunity to take them off because of that little spitting that we witnessed in Hubli. Second day in a row that we witnessed rain here in Hubli at this time. 88 for Hassan and Pundir really set up that base on which Jammu and Kashmir built with Dogra. 70s, Abdul Samad, very entertaining 61. Wadwan 70, 57, all players getting to 50 except Iqbal. Abid has the opportunity. He's undefeated on 20 in that score of 527.